In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity and contact role in Salesforce Trailhead. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to effectively manage your sales processes and relationships. First, let's dive into the Salesforce app launcher. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Opportunities tab. This area of Salesforce is crucial for tracking and managing potential deals with customers or prospects. Once you're on the Opportunities page, your first move is to click on the New button. This action will prompt you to start a fresh opportunity, laying the groundwork for your sales process. You'll then be presented with a form where you can fill in all the necessary details about your opportunity. Start by giving your opportunity a distinct and descriptive name. For instance, you might name it something like Edge Communications Website Redesign to ensure that you and your team immediately know what this opportunity pertains to at a glance. Next, you'll want to associate this opportunity with an account by using the account name lookup field. This linkage is vital for maintaining a clear record of which accounts are involved with which opportunities. As you proceed, set the close date. This date is when you expect the deal to be finalized. It's an essential piece of information for forecasting your sales pipeline. While the amount field is optional, it's highly beneficial to enter an estimated revenue value for your opportunity. This allows you to anticipate the financial impact of successful deals. Following this, you'll need to designate the stage of your opportunity. Choosing the current status, whether it's prospecting, negotiation, or closed won, helps in tracking the progress and determining the health of your sales pipeline. You'll also want to specify the forecast category, which assists in grouping opportunities by stages for more efficient forecasting. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Save. At this point, you have successfully created an opportunity in Salesforce, but we're not done yet. To further enrich your opportunity, you should add contact roles. These roles define the persons associated with the opportunity and their influence over the sales process. To begin adding contact roles, go back to the opportunity you just created. Locate the Contact Roles section and click on Add Contact Roles. This will prompt you to select a contact and assign them a specific role such as decision maker or influencer. If applicable, you can also designate one contact as the primary contact. Once you've selected the roles, don't forget to click Save, and there you have it. By completing these steps, you've not only created a detailed opportunity, but also established a touch point with the relevant contacts, streamlining your sales process in Salesforce Trailhead. I hope this guide helps you leverage Salesforce more efficiently, boosting your business's productivity and success.